last month's Vast Forward 2026 conference in Salt Lake City brought together leaders to collaborate on shaping the future of artificial intelligence. But that wasn't the only technology getting attention. I was on the ground and spoke with Johnsy Stephenson, GM of Cloud at Vast Data, who shared his insight into the latest cloud innovation and how it intertwines with AI. Take a listen.
Ultimately, Vast Data and the Vast AI operating system dominates the neoclouds and the frontier model builders. We are now just getting into the public clouds. And the collaboration with engineering and the cloud engineer, with the core engineering and the cloud engineering team have been absolutely amazing. And Vast has this unbelievable culture that I've never experienced before, to be honest, of creativity, and the founders, they inspire innovation, and we have the freedom to innovate. Every time we build a product, they want us to go faster, broader, and think outside the box. So Polaris, in a sense, started off as a relatively simple cloud orchestration tied to the marketplace and just doing lifecycle management and automating the deployments, making it very easy to deploy Vast AI operating system. Now they want us to go everywhere. And we had to redesign the entire platform just because they wanted to be self-contained and be able to deploy it on-prem, in the neoclouds, at the edge, potentially in space.
What does that feel like for you to have to continue to innovate? Is that an exciting challenge?
I haven't had this much fun in years. And so has my team. And the team, every time, Renan, Jeff, Shakar, or Alon, all the four founders, if they show up in Iceland, we get a new task to solve. And that's awesome. That's how it's supposed to be.
What is a global control plane, and how does it affect enterprises?
So here is the interesting fact that I think nobody has actually done the way we are thinking about it now. We are, in a sense, completely abstracting the control from the infrastructure. So we can have like a global policy engine that Jeff probably talked about, or the fine-tuning engine, or a placement policy algorithm. We can actually start automating where your data is supposed to go, or where you want to bring in the compute close to the data. That is the power of having a global centralized control plane, because it allows the customers to decide, like the world becomes their oyster. There are no longer any lock-in mechanism, because Polaris, as that control plane, as that global control plane, can decide at one point in time that you're running in GCP. All of a sudden, there's an offer for GPU availability in AWS or in CoreWeave. Let's just put a Vast AI operating system in that location, create a global namespace, and you're done. You're taking advantage of a just brand new GPU or a TPU or an MPU or Trainium. We can basically seamlessly take advantage of whatever price pops up. And especially now with a supply chain issue in the world, to me, that might be a threat to the legacy providers, but it's a true opportunity for Vast.
How did you get into this line of work, and did you ever think your brain would be thinking in this way?
I've been very lucky in my career. I've done multiple successful startups, and I've been doing this since I was 16, 17 years old. All my co-founders we've done all these different companies, we're all here at Vast now, and we're having a blast. I mean, this is like, it's not common for a company being able to retain and cling on to that startup mentality like Vast has. It's very unique. How many are we, 1,200? Still operating like a startup, and I love it.
Do you think there's any limit to where AI or innovation can go?
No. I think every single application built from now on is going to have agents that are maintaining that application and maintaining that pipeline, maintaining or even developing. you know, at some point in time, I will be out of a job. I'm a developer. I'm going to be out of a job. But the good thing is, AI isn't creative. That's why we need humans.
Thanks, John C. Stephenson, for that interview.